have our vinegar. This is a substitute for vinegar. It's 6 molar acetic acid. We have household baking soda that you would use, and the function of baking soda in your kitchen is maybe cleaning, but also to make your pancakes rise. So that's what we're going to do with these.
The sodium bicarbonate reacts with the acetic acid in a double displacement reaction. The resulting sodium acetate is soluble in water, and the carbonic acid that forms decomposes to give water and carbon dioxide gas.
Gold balloons here. We're going to make these gold balloons rise by producing carbon dioxide gas. And what we have here are a variety of situations, and we're going to test them to see which one will make the balloon rise the most. So here we have pre-weighed 35 grams of baking soda. We're just going to fill the balloon with that quantity using a funnel. Now we have 60 milliliters of pre-measured our acetic acid vinegar substitute. We're going to add that to our reaction vessel here, which is a very simple plastic bottle. And then we're going to add water. This is tap water, just so that we have a completely filled bottle with no extra space. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for these other bottles. Okay, now what we're going to do is initiate the reaction by placing the balloon on top of our bottle. Are not going to behave like helium balloons. They're not going to float on their own. So was your prediction correct? Make a prediction as to the size of this third balloon compared with number 1 and number 2. I know what I did. All right, now here we go. And how does this one compare? Does that meet with your hypothesis? We'll make a prediction now. Which balloon is going to be the largest overall? A, B, C, or D? All right, let's finish this. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Ooh. Well, let's see. How did that align with your prediction? I would go ahead and conclude, at least from my eyes, reaction D is the smallest, and reaction B was the largest. And it's a good thing that we have stoichiometry to explain why that is, and to make a prediction to be sure that we don't exceed the capacity of our balloons. We can make a conclusion that in this last case here, even though we had the most acetic acid, we had the least sodium bicarbonate. So for sure, we can conclude that our sodium bicarbonate was the limiting reactant and our acetic acid was in excess. Well, thanks for watching this stoichiometry go for the gold experiment, and I hope it was helpful in your understanding of stoichiometry.